All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Giannis signed 11x14 Winner's Choice. This is number 2. So we'll check the time, July 3rd at 9:50 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. July 3rd at 9:50 p.m. There is the list of our 16 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Todd. Spot 3 is your winner. So Todd, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 3rd, 9:51 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.